I think the vision really was to be a very high-tech and exciting, new, innovative space for students in a number of different ways. The feedback's been really positive from what I've heard, and it's the ability to use the new spaces that we have. One of my favorite classrooms is located right next to the lecture theater and has like a small little stage as well. So it opens up the learning with the students and the ability to do that. Every room has microphones as well, so if it's a bigger room like that one, it gives us the ability to make sure everyone's able to be hearing what's going on and be present in the time.
So the range of technologies installed in the St. Teresa building really encompass a broad selection from the Crestron stable of products. In context of the ACU St. Teresa building, it made sense that we went with Crestron hardware for various levels of technology. So it's in the control layer, it's in the unified communications layer, and it's in the video distribution. The beauty of the Crestron ecosystem is that it all just works.
What it's really done well is it's given us the ability to be an integral part of the campus again, and because we were across the street in a completely different building, coming back to campus has given us that opportunity. But then all the technology that we have available to us in our offices, with the video conference rooms, all of that has also given us the space to be able to, if we need to do remote learning, but also being able to bring other groups and organizations onto campus with things like the Greg Craven Center, where we're able to use that space to bring camps together, but our partners together as well.
So some of the challenges that were really unique to this build was the demand on network infrastructure. All clients that are moving into unified communications and AV are aware that things need to exist on a network. The network here is big and there's a lot of disciplines on that network. There's control, there's standard data that students are using through the day, there's video and there's audio. And the nature of managing those networks to be stable with all of those disciplines is something that was challenging for us. But working alongside ACU, we got there in the end, and the result speaks for itself.